I was simply tired to constantly drag out my compressor for little tasks, even the big ones. I was looking into going into the cordless system, but many cordless guns, especially the ones that are battery operated, are really large and cumbersome. I tried them, I never liked them. I can't imagine as a carpenter using them daily. They're just too heavy. That's why I chose Paslode. It's awesome little gun. Everything's in this package is awesome. It's light, well balanced, leaves the crispest nail holes, uses gas, so it's really powerful. I can't tell anything like really bad about it. This gun has been with me for probably has nailed like 50,000 nails. I have this block of poplar. Let's see how it performs. Well, first we need a battery. Well, now when we have a battery, it'll probably work much better. Gas is already inside. Let's see how it does. Can your battery operated gun can do that, DeWalt? And look how clean it is. And I mean, this gun has been with me already for almost a year, and it still performs really well. Look at the cleanness on all the nail holes. But I will tell you what I dislike. For some reason, this handle, I don't know if you can see it, is really squishy. It kinda gets used to it. You can see that it comes apart like right here. I wish there was like something a little more inside there to make it more solid. I have this little mock-up here, and as you can see, if you need to get into the tight spot, even though it nailed this time, I would say 60% of time it has a problem reaching those tight areas. Once again, this is better representation of what I'm trying to say. If you need to nail it like this, see, you can't really, because of how much space from the nozzle to the spot where you need to nail, it leaves, and it has to be like depressed. See? That's what I'm saying. It has a problem nailing it because of the form factor of the nose. For example, this yellow and black gun can get really nice and tight into the corners. As you know, the biggest problem when it comes with the Paslode guns are the price of gas. These two cartridges are like $18 after taxes. So technically, 20 of these packages will buy you another gun. It's a little expensive. In my case, it is all right. I price it into the jobs, and crispness and the speed of nailing and the lightness of the gun. I will never go to those big, bulky, battery-operated ones. I'm gonna stay with the Paslode as long as I can. This gun, I love it. I give it strong 4.5 stars out of 5. Alder Elite, approved, favorite gun. 18 gauge Paslode. I looked at the new model at the International Builders Show in Orlando this year, and I was surprised that even though they have shortened the clip, they have better gas delivery, just like the same one like here in a 16 gauge. I was surprised that they didn't put any protective bumpers or on sides or even bottom to protect your work surface. I made sure I told them that, and hopefully they listen.